on my way to the shop that we work on our vehicles at while we're doing brakes tonight. So this thing needs new brakes. I can barely stop. I plan on doing a brake upgrade in the future, but that's like not right now. We have to go. So I just picked up .3 brake fluid from Canadian Tire. I have 4 new rotors, 2 new calipers for the front, all new brake pads, and that's about it. So I've just let my car warm up. So here we go. Then I have my alignment tomorrow, so I won't be racing anymore. Fuck. These ones are better than the other side.
Yeah. Some weird wear to them, but they're starting to wear here more than they were on this side. Another pad, same thing. Very bad wear pattern.